Hello everyone, this is Soham Pramanik and you are watching my channel on how-tos, tutorials and technical know-hows. Today I'm going to show you how to split the screen of your Android device to float multiple apps together and work on them parallelly. Watch the video till the end for the two different ways of doing it. If you happen to like the video and get help from it, please do subscribe, share and like the video. Also, click on the bell icon to get notified for more such videos. So, often you have wondered that if you happen to work on two different apps together and you want to work on them parallelly on your screen, how you could do that by having a single screen but by looking at both of them together. So, in your Android device, what you can do is you can split your screen and you can use simultaneously both the apps together without having to toggle between them. So now I'm going to show you how exactly to do that. So for that, in your Android device, from the home screen you have to go to settings. So you could see settings was there in the bottom left, this icon. Okay, once you have gone to settings, now you have to scroll down and you have to go to additional settings here in the middle of the screen right now. So clicking on additional settings, you come to this page. Now, if you happen to have your Android device with an older version of Android or your Android device is not rooted, then you will not have an option like in this one. You're not having that option, which you can see just below accessibility. As you can see, SIM toolkit is there and then accessibility is there. Below that is backup and reset, and below that is OTG connection. So in place of this backup and reset, you're supposed to have another option, which is split screen option. So unless you are having the latest version of Android or you are having your Android version rooted, you are not going to have that option, that is split screen option. So if you are lucky enough to have that, you can just toggle open in this manner, like I'm showing you the OTG connection. You can just click on that toggle and you can enable split screen in your Android device. Now once you do that, you can come out by pressing back, and then when you press and hold the bottom left button of your Android device, that is the button for looking at all the apps which are open, you are supposed to have a view like this. Now if you're not having that option of split screen, still you will see the icons of the apps like you have right now on the top of your screen, like settings, YouTube and this Play Store and all. So if you are enabling this split screen, then after clicking on this, when this page, this screen comes, then you just have to press and hold the icon on the top. Like YouTube is there, you have to press and hold on it, or settings is there, you have to press and hold on it. And once you do that, that screen will come in a small format, in a floating window on your screen. And then again you can repeat the same thing to enable the multiple screens to come on your window parallelly. And you can adjust the screen size, or you can adjust the length and width of the particular window and fit your screen, and you can use the space accordingly. Now for those users who don't have this option of split screen in their mobile, what you can do is you can go to Play Store, and here you can just type floating app like this. I have already typed here before. Okay, to do that, you get this app, Floating Apps Free, which is a good download. I mean, this app is one which is also providing this the same feature in a different way. Okay, so I've already kept it downloaded. So once you have clicked on this, you will get it in a ready to download option, and so you can just click on that download and it will be downloaded, and then you can install it. After you have done that, as you can see, if you come out and you have to give certain accessibility options, permissions to the app. Once you have given those permissions to the app, as you can see on the topmost left portion of the screen where the network bar is there, the two small screen bars have come. That is for that app, running app. So once you click on that, you will get this view. This screen view is of that floating app, in which they are allowing you to use multiple apps like which you can see in blues, and you can use them parallelly. Like if you suppose want to listen to some music and at the same time use a text editor, what you can do is you can click on music player. So your music player has come on your screen. Now you can just tap, hold and move it on your screen, move along your screen anywhere. You can play around with it, and you can adjust the size also. Like right now I'm trying to make it smaller, maybe, yes, because I don't want a big one. Okay, or you can make it like this as you want, and you can place it in one corner of your screen, suppose top right I want. Okay, now right now the music is not selected, otherwise if it's selected you can just click on the play button and it will start playing. So once it is happening, parallelly what you can do is again you can click on that topmost left tab of the floating app, and now you can scroll down and open, suppose while listening to music you want to type something, so you can click on this text editor, the bottom left icon which you saw. Okay, and now you can adjust that in one portion of your screen again, and you can start typing. So as you can see, I'm already typing in this app, and parallelly I am not having to switch between, toggle between apps, and I can, if I want to do some adjustment to music player, I want to switch songs or to do something else, I can do that also parallelly. So this is how you can use multiple apps, and at the same time what you can do is you can again click on it, or you can adjust this size and then tap, and similarly keep using this app with multiple apps, as you can see in your Android device. Okay, so now I will close it. Hope you have got some benefit out of this video. If you want to save or not, that the option is wanting. Okay, so I hope you have got some benefit out of this video which I have shown you right now, the two options. So please do subscribe, like and share, and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do let me know about technical problems you need solutions to. Thank you for watching. This is Soham Pramanik.